Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and quick hairstyle ideas. So first we've applied a clip in our hair and then taking hair from one side and making a braid and then attaching it to the clip and repeating the same step with the other side. Next we are going to take our hair as shown and making two braids, and then we are going to join opposite from each other and then securing them with a clip. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we've applied a clip in our hair and then taking two parts of hair, joining it with a clip. Next we are taking a braid and forming it into a bun, and you can see our hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take 4 layers, 2 from each side, then joining them together and applying this beautiful flower shaped clip. Next we are going to take 6 layers, 3 from each side, joining them together with the help of a rubber band, and then taking rest of the hair and making a braid as shown in the video, and then you can see our hairstyle is ready. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side, joining them together with the help of a rubber band, repeating the same. Here we are going to form a braid and then loosen it. After that we are applying this beautiful clip on the top. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken hair from one side and started making a braid by taking little by little hair till we cover the whole head from the back. As you can see, now you can apply any kind of clips or accessory you want on this hairstyle. Next we're going to move ahead. Here we are taking two parts from both the side and then joining it with this clip. Then we are going to again take two parts and again repeating this step. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we are taking 2 layers from each side. Then at one side we are going to make a braid and join it into a bun. Next we are going to move ahead. Here we are taking a clip and then taking 4 layers and joining it to the clip. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side, then making a ponytail with the remaining hair, joining it with the layers we've made earlier into this bun, and then we are applying this clip for securing them. Next we are taking 2 layers from the hair and then passing them through each other. After that we are again repeating the step with smaller layer. At last we are making a bun with the remaining untied hair. Next we are going to use a clip for our hair and then taking 2 layers, joining it and making 2 braids from side and then folding them opposite. Next we are going to take some hair, joining it with rubber band, then passing them through each other and applying this beautiful purple clip to our hair.